Today we're going to be checking out the new Lenovo Smart Clock Essential, a small bedside clock that can display the temperature and time and even has the Google Assistant inside. Let's get into it. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review over the Lenovo Smart Clock. This is an awesome 4-inch display clock that has the Google Assistant inside. Starting off, this really is just a clock. It just has the Google Assistant inside and a speaker on the back. It doesn't do much more on the screen because the screen is just a clock. It's not an actual LCD with a touchscreen like the Nest Hub or Echo show. The display is black with some white lights on the front to display things like the date, the alarm, the microphone is muted, the weather conditions, the temperature, and the time. Furthermore, the device has a night light on the back, which you can also control with your voice, and is a great accent light next to your bed. I know a lot of people are scared of the dark, and this would be a great substitute for a night light. Additionally, this might be something that you could put next to your bed or on your desk, and since this might be going on your bed or on your desk, it probably will be taking one of your outlets on your wall. Now you might have a charger that you normally plug in to charge your phone there. They actually included a USB port on the back of the device to charge your phone. It is a 5-watt charger, so you can charge an iPhone or an Android smartphone, and it won't charge super fast, but it's great if you're charging your phone overnight. With the Google Assistant installed inside, you can connect to 40,000 smart devices. For example, Jenny or Hugh both sold at Walmart. With a 1.5-inch 3-watt speaker and 2 microphones, this would be great for an immersive sound experience in your bedroom. This also has Bluetooth 5.0 to connecting to an external speaker. Finally, with the microphone and speaker on the device, you can use it to call a friend conveniently with your voice. You can just ask, "Call Jessica," and Google will use your phone number and call that number. Sadly, you cannot answer phone calls like you can on the HomePod and HomePod Mini, but at least you can call people on them. Now, after all this, you're wondering how much does this thing cost? Let's first talk about the Nest Hub. It is Google's 7-inch smart home display, which costs $89. This device is a lot cheaper. It normally retails for $50 at Best Buy and Walmart, but both companies are currently offering the display for $25. Let's get into unboxing it. So here is the Lenovo Smart Clock. I'm really butchering this box, but I guess that's okay. Now we can pull out these flaps and you can see the actual device inside. The device has this protective cover on the front. As you can see here on the back, the device has a 5-watt charger that you can charge your phone with, and the night light is this gray ring on the back. So I guess let's get the thing plugged in. So here is the included charger that comes with the device. Not so satisfying protector on the front, and it is now connecting. So to set up the device, you're going to need a smartphone with the Google Assistant app installed. So as you can see here, it shows all of our information from our time to the temperature to the weather condition, if you have an alarm set, and the date. So on our device, we're going to click at the top left and click Set Up Device. We're going to enable a new device. I'm going to be adding this. We're going to now look for the device and pair it with our phone. As you can see, Google Assistant speaker found. So the app is now connecting to the Google Assistant speaker. So the way that this speaker basically works is it connects to your local Wi-Fi. Take that question, transcribe it into English, and then send that to a data server. That data server will then figure out the best response, send it back to your device, and then speak. The clock is also connected to Wi-Fi, so there's no putting in the time, setting up the temperature, or anything like that. Okay, and the device is all ready and set up to the network.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
And there we go, that is about it. But I guess let's do a sound test and hear how it sounds. So let's do some sound test. We increase the volume up. This is max volume. So that's about it for this 4-inch smart clock by Lenovo. I love it so much, and I think it would be great next to a bed or on a desk. I just wish it had a touchscreen so it could be more interactable, but once again, it's 25 bucks. And thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Gadget Candy, checking out some sweet tech.